Okay, I'm John Smolnick with ClearPoint Construction. I'm the contractor that's doing the repairs to the roof here for your policyholder at 4528 Harriet Avenue South, Minneapolis, Minnesota. And we are replacing the roof, but in doing so, the gutters are also going to have to be removed and replaced, not detached and reset, removed and replaced because the drip edge is coming off, because it is getting new decking, new sheathing, so the drip edge has got to be removed. And in the process of doing that, these have to be removed. If you detach and reset these seamless gutters, there's a good chance it's inevitable they're going to crease. So you can't detach 70 linear odd feet of gutter and hope that they don't crease. It's impossible. They have to be removed and replaced.